In this video, we have been given that angle ABC is 80 degrees. Angle ACB is 20 degrees. Angle BAD is theta. Angle CAD is theta. And AB is A, BD is B, AD is C, and AC is X. Then we have to prove that X is equal to A plus B plus C. So, in triangle ABC, it is A, B, C. This angle is 80 degrees. This angle is 20 degrees. And this angle is theta plus theta. That will be 2 theta. So 80 degrees plus 20 degrees plus 2 theta, it will be 180 degrees. So 2 theta, it will be 80 degrees, and theta, it will be 40 degrees. So these angles, they will be 40 degrees. And we have AC is X, and suppose this point is E, such that AE, it is equal to AB, that is A. It is our construction. AE is A, and if we join DE, then in triangle BAD and triangle EAD, we have BA is equal to EA, that is A, and angle BAD, it is equal to angle EAD, that is 40 degrees, and AD is common, that is C. So triangle BAD, it will be congruent to triangle EAD, and these two triangles are congruent, hence BD, it will be equal to ED, that will be B, ED will be B, and angle ABD, it will be equal to angle AED, that will be 80 degrees. This angle, it will be 80 degrees, and also this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 40 degrees, and it is 60 degrees. It is 60 degrees. And angle ADB, it will be equal to angle ADE, that will be 60 degrees. This angle, it will be 60 degrees. And now from point E, if we draw EF such that this angle is 20 degrees, angle CEF, it is 20 degrees. It is our construction. Then at point E, this angle is 80 degrees. This angle is 20 degrees. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 20 degrees. That will be 80 degrees. It is 80 degrees. This angle, it is 80 degrees. And also in triangle CEF, it is CEF, these two angles are equal, that is 20 degrees. That means CF, it will be equal to EF. CF, it will be equal to EF. And now at point D, this angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 60 degrees. That will be 60 degrees. This angle, it is 60 degrees. And now in triangle ABD and triangle FED, we have angle ABD is equal to angle FED, that is 80 degrees, and BD, it is equal to ED, that is B, and angle ADB, it is equal to angle FDE, that is 60 degrees. So triangle ABD, it will be congruent to triangle FED. Hence AB, it will be equal to FE, and AB is A. So FE, it will be also A, and also AD, it will be equal to FD, and AD is C. So FD, it will be also C. And Now we have CF is equal to EF and EF is A. So CF it will be also A. And now in triangle ABC, it is A, B, C. These two angles are equal, that is 80 degrees. That means AC it will be equal to BC, and AC is X, and BC it is A plus B plus C. It is A plus B plus C. Hence, X is equal to A plus B plus C. Proved.